I want to give you the best dice strategy for 2025. It is by far the best strategy that I've been using for a while now, and it just prints money. So let's get into it right now. So this is I've had $40 profit. I started with 164, I believe, and right around here, I was doing the 8 and 9. So betting 8%, roll under 8, I guess, and on loss increasing it by 9. But lately, I switched to 2 and 3, and it just increases the profits so much more. I've been using this dice strategy, which I've included in the links down below. And if we go and change it from 2 to 3, you can see that you get more losses, but your persistence isn't as high. But I feel like I just earn so much more faster just because of the multiple. So if we go back here, you can see I'm up $40. I started, like I said, with 164, and now we're at 200, 205. I was doing showing how to do a small account. Now it's just growing into a larger account. It's not too bad. So it's really easy to use this dice tool. All you do is set your bankroll, so how much you have in this amount. So I have 0.06 Ethereum. So I'd put that right here, 0.06. And then for the amount to start with is how much you want down here. I usually do 1,000th of what I have. So I would change this to 6. And then you can change these numbers to whatever you want. So if this was at, like, say 5, or say let's change it to 1. Changing it to 1 is underneath this threshold, and at a certain point I'm going to start losing money. So as you can see, I start losing money right here at the 67th roll. But if I go and change this to 2, I still get it all the way down to about the 162nd roll because I'm at the 2%, but it is recommended to do over 2.8, so I actually need to do 3. And so increasing it by 3 makes it so that I'm profitable all the way through to my last roll. And so that's a good thing. I could increase this to 4, but then I would risk my chances of getting bankrolled really, really high. So as of right now, I'm sticking to this 2 and 3. I'm now up to $41, almost 42, in a matter of a couple minutes. So it's about a minute. Starting with a $160 account, I'm looking at sitting at about $1 a minute. So that's not too bad. But yeah, I just wanted to share the best, I guess, strategy for dice. I use 2 and 3. I think that is just the best way to go. And you'll have these big dips like I had right here, and a small dip here, but it's still pretty consistent at 2 and 3. Doing it at 8 and 9 was a lot slower. You can definitely watch my other video where I showed that. But until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.